Welcome to SwiftCoin. In this video, we will show you how to set the starting capital and wallet limit on SwiftCoin app. Set the starting capital and wallet limit. To begin your trading journey, you need to set the starting capital and the wallet limit. You can adjust these settings according to your risk appetite and trading goals. To set the starting capital and the wallet limit, click on the bot icon. Select your preferred exchange. In this case, we will demonstrate with Binance. Edit the initial capital amount by clicking on the Edit button. Enter your initial capital amount and wallet limit. The initial capital amount should be less than or equal to the amount that you transferred to your bot. The wallet limit should be less than or equal to the initial capital amount. Click Submit to proceed to the next step. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy trading.